Hello everyone, myself Reshma, and in this video I'll help you to incorporate reading habit in your day-to-day life in three simple and most effective ways. So let's get started. Number one, discover your book preferences or know what you love to read. Now, knowing your book style is like knowing your food preferences. The more you read, the more you fall in love with it. So let's answer a few questions. Okay, when was the last time you picked up the book and you couldn't stop reading it, and why? Do you enjoy something with a deep character, or you enjoy the self-help book like me, which helps you to improve in your day-to-day life? Do you like an entertaining book or something which makes you cry or laugh? Do check out the document in the description box and answer the simple questions. It has a quiz. Answer those questions to identify what is your style. Once you know your style, guys, it's become so much easier to stick with this habit, and you will not feel bored to pick up the book. You will always look forward to it, to pick up the book and read it. So there you go. The first to identify your book style. The step two is to get the correct book for you. Now here you need to go to Google, type Goodread, go to the Goodread website, and there you will find, once you scroll down, there you will find a lot of categories. Like for example, fiction or self-help or science. Like based on the category you have identified, you can click on that category. For example, self-help. Now in this, it will take you to the page and it will have a lot of books in that. Pick up the book which excites you, the topic excites you, because it is important. Okay. Now, once you have identified which book you want to pick, go to the comments. Okay, in the Goodreads, you will find a lot of comments. Just go through 2-3 comments and see what is this book about and read the description. Now, once you have identified which book you want to pick, I recommend you to go to Amazon, search for that book, and don't click on the buy button. Click on try the free sample. Now, why the free sample? Because sometimes what happens, guys, that the book is great, everyone is liking it, but you might not enjoy the reading style of the or writing style of the author. Okay, this has happened to me, and then you don't feel like picking up the book or complete the book. So the best thing is to go in the Amazon, download the free sample, read the free sample. If you enjoy the free sample, then only purchase or invest in a good book. If you couldn't find the free sample, you can actually read the description box. For many books, you will find the first chapter is already included in the description box. So go through that and you will find the best book for you. Now, you have identified your style, you have got the best book for you. Now, let's move on to the third step, that is stack the reading habit. To build the reading habit, stacking the reading habit is the most easiest and simple way of doing it. Okay, now what is habit stacking or stacking your reading habit? So habit stacking is nothing but is attaching your new habit on top of the current habit. Okay, so for example, if I what I do is when I'm having my tea, I read my book. Okay, so I have stacked my reading habit on top of when I'm having a tea. You can also do that. And it why habit stacking works? Because for your brain, it doesn't take much time, or your brain doesn't have to force to remember this habit because the first habit is already doing it. So then that's why you have to stack your reading habit on top of the habit which you're already doing it. Let me know in the comment which book you have identified, what is your style, and uh, what is your habit stacking here for reading. Now, there you go. You have found a good book for you. You can now build your reading habit. Now, even after following all these three habits, still if you couldn't build the reading habit or pick up the book, I recommend you to try the audio. You can follow the three steps as listed in this video, but instead of picking up the book, go for the audio. Like you are doing a chores or anything, like you just have to stack it with listening, and then there you go. You can actually read and complete one book. Let me know in the comments how you like the video or if this video has helped you. Do let me know which book did you pick up. Okay, see you for the next time.